It's around 9 a.m. on June 9, 2026. We left our beloved home for 18 years earlier this morning at around 6. And now, me and my son were taking our first rest stop here on the top of Sierra Nevada mountain along I-80 freeway, Interstate 80 freeway. This is close to Donner Pass, which is the highest point of this freeway. To be honest, I was hoping it's going to be a little bit more scenic with the trees, everything. Actually, there are a lot of nice trees. It's just off limit for us. See how beautiful it is. This is a quintessential California forest. So pretty, right? It's also the second major rest area we encountered. The first one was closed, so we picked this place. This is a picture stand, okay? I think this is a picture stand. You're supposed to stand on top of this place, this post, and take a picture.
Like on top of it?
Yeah, this is called, look, it's called a picture stand.
Oh.
You see? You want to stand up there?
I'm alright.
Oh, okay. It's nice. I think there is another rest area over there, don't you think?
Yeah.
That's California state flag, right? On this side, it's American flag. Yeah. Very nice mountains. Lots of trucks. So this plaque commemorates the ill-fated Donner Party of California-bound immigrants who wintered approximately 6 miles from here in 1846 to 1847, many died of exposure and starvation. That's pretty sad. Jesus. I didn't know that Donner Pass had such a tragic story. Really? It's very nice at the park behind this rest area, right? I don't know. How cool it would be if your backyard looked like that. It's really nice. It's a great place to stretch our legs before we enter Nevada. Up here, it's super cold. You would think it's sunny and warm. No. When we started to climb the mountains, when the elevation was around 1,000 feet, it was about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And up here, it's 54. It's in the middle of June. 54 degrees, super cold. So I instantly grabbed my jacket, my warmer jacket from my luggage. Helps a lot. I'm wearing a teal blue insulated jacket. I bought it from REI. For only about $40 for tax. The MSRP almost $100. Yeah, that was a good deal. I mean, the jacket is really warm. See how beautiful this place is. These water are all like melted snow. Super nice water. One more look at the beautiful mountains, and we'll leave, right?